Kitchen table's close to empty, his plate's already in the sink. My thoughts aren't at his table, I'm growing my own dreams. I see it, his life is noble, but I can't follow his lead. I just can't feel that same call, but I don't hate my dad's dream. The blackbird flies, sun rises on the dying field, head hanging, he shrinks low. Same fields he's always tended, but this time he just can't go. The blackbirds fly. I step out on hot concrete, laughter echoes, kids run by. I'm almost to the job site across the street. I don't notice the blackbirds fly. We're both making our own dreams, roads I pave, seeds he sown. What I built, his fields of green. Do they fail or will they grow? Maybe they know. Blackbirds in blue skies. I didn't know he was hurting, had no idea how far he could go. He wouldn't tell me about the struggle, I'm so far away, how could I know? He's always been so strong, never found a job he couldn't do. I had to hear it from the neighbor's call, he's down, needs you. I'd never leave him to fight alone, but he told me to chase what's mine. He's failing now, I've got to go, heading home, I'm back in time. We're both making our own dreams, roads I pave, seeds he sown. What I built, his fields of green. Do they fail or will they grow? Maybe they know. Blackbirds in blue skies. In my windshield I see fields of brown, crops that can't be saved. I feel the sorrow settle in my chest. His walk don't look the same. I told him all I was feeling. He hugged my neck, cast no blame. We sat there trading tales of blackbirds and blue skies. Blackbirds and blue skies.